Have you been watching our channel? We're coming to you live from the future, 3 weeks ahead. We are in Seattle now, and we've been traveling about 5 weeks, 3,700 miles. We've had a lot of experiences that were great, and we're going to show you a few clips.
Yeah, we've been some amazingly scenic places. We've driven over mountain passes. We visited friends and family along the way. We've hiked in national parks. We've bicycled. We've visited some great breweries and even got to play some pickleball.
Yes.
Besides giving you a sneak peek, we thought we'd talk to you briefly about why we started doing a YouTube channel in the first place. Our number one reason is to share what we've been doing with our families. They're a long ways away. We miss them a lot. And a picture is worth 1,000 words. And what better way to show them what we've been up to?
Yes, and we've been taking a lot of pictures.
That's for sure.
The second reason we started the channel is so we have memories of our experiences that we can look back on later on.
Because I don't know about you, but my memory is not as sharp as it used to be.
Mine either.
And the third reason is that it gives us more purpose and intention to each day. It motivates us to seek out opportunities and do new things we ordinarily wouldn't do.
Yeah, like doing this channel.
It also helps us appreciate every day. The past has enriched our lives. We have the present, and the future is not guaranteed. It helps us make the most of every day and make every day count.
Yes.
It hasn't been without its challenges, though. If you think living in 400 square feet 24/7 is easy, try making YouTube videos together. The good news is we're still on speaking terms most days.
Most days.
Most days. What we didn't realize was how time-consuming and difficult it would be to gather footage from 4 different camera sources and edit it down and make it into a sensible, meaningful story.
Yes, it's been a challenge.
In our working lives, we were experts in what we did, and now we're totally back to being beginners. But I feel we are getting a little bit better at it and improving. We hope you're seeing the improvement with each video that we put out. We're really having the time of our lives.
We certainly are.
Roaming the country.
Well, I hope you liked the little glimpse into the future videos coming your way. And please like our videos and subscribe if you haven't already.
And keep following our adventures.